Home building, whether it is custom, remodeling, or multi-tenant, is a very complex business to manage with multiple team players. From customers to their architects and bankers, to all the trades and suppliers, and your staff, keeping up with everyone in the loop and keeping them informed in a timely manner can be overwhelming. That's why CHS provides the tools for every team player on your staff to come together and to share that load. Our platform combines the accounting tools that manage the costs all in the very same basket with the tools that manage most everything else, from the initial estimate to closing the job. Let's reimagine the role of accounting in your business. Think of it as more than just tallying numbers or reviewing historical data, and turn it into a team player that actively shapes your business in the present moment. In order to do that, your accounting team needs accounting software that is made for construction to empower the builder owner to make daily decisions that maximize gross profit for every single job. CHS removes the need for complicated workarounds or spreadsheets by doing things like comparing actual posted accounting job costs to estimates and to change orders and to purchase or work orders to give you instant updates on where your job costs are heading in very real time. Plus, CHS adapts to various contract types like fixed lump sum, cost plus fee, or cost plus markup to forecast gross profits as they vary for each job in real time, as they tend to do in the construction business. Moreover, CHS keeps track of job revenues received by category and calculates how much you are still owed from the customer. This means you can instantly give your customers accurate contract balance reports upon request. Additionally, CHS tracks cash balances for each job regardless of the number of bank accounts or credit cards you use, and displays today's payable amounts due for each job along with the available cash after paying those bills. When your accounting functions deliver precise and real-time results, they become invaluable team players in ensuring financial success for your business. The crucial benefit of construction accounting software is efficient project cost management. At a minimum, it should include a place to prepare your job budgets or estimates in order to capture your original estimated costs, and then to mark them up to calculate a profitable price, and to secure sales with well thought out proposals. It also should include purchase orders and work orders to capture committed costs, communicate work details to the team, and to track work completion and adjustments. And in addition, of course, it should provide a place in your accounting to capture the actual incurred job costs, where you can record unpaid and paid costs accurately, and you can even deduct back charges and vendor credits seamlessly. The additional thing, if your customer changes the scope of work by making a change to the plans, you need a place to post something called change orders in order to capture estimated costs for those scope changes and to add a fee or a markup to the costs, and then prepare a change order agreement with your customer. And all of this should be brought together into a centralized platform to consolidate all those components for real-time cost forecasting. An essential feature for builders to manage costs is the Estimated Costs at Completion, or ECC worksheet. It gathers all data related to costs for a job in order to estimate where each cost center is headed today and how much it is heading over or under the original budget. It is interactive with drill downs to the detail behind every number. If the total of purchase orders should be used as the ECC instead of the total budgeted costs, check mark to use POs instead of the budget. If there will be no more or any actual posted costs for a cost center, check mark the actual costs as done so they become the ECC. Or if you just know that a cost is going to be lower or higher than the budget or the POs, Type the new amount in so that it will become the ECC. If you want to know why the ECC is over or under the total budget, drill down to notes and comments from the team, or drill down on POs to see why they are being used as the ECC. See PO notes from the field to see that the ECC for the slab contract is under due to an agreement with the trade, but over due to soil conditions with the variance PO, and that we are deducting some for site cleanup because they left a mess. Also, you can store today's ECC numbers and then compare them to a previous day's ECC to see what ECC numbers have changed from day to day. If you have a high permission level, the ECC worksheet window will display upper management info about your current revised price and profit based on the current ECC total and the job's type of contract. Drill down to review how those are calculated and to produce an instant contract balance report for your customers that includes job revenues received. This window is first used to set the original contract price based on the budget and a desired profit percent. Use a price suggested by CHS or type in your own. Then as the job progresses, CHS will start calculating a revised price based on changes that occur. This one is marked as a fixed lump sum contract, so the revised price is based on the original price plus change order prices plus allowance overages. However, if it is checkmarked as a cost plus fee, the revised price will be based on your current ECC plus a builder fee that you type in plus any fees charged for change orders, and the contract balance will adjust. CHS will track cash by job, no matter how many bank or credit card accounts you use. Click on amounts like payables paid from a bank account to see a vendor ledger of job costs paid out of that account. Or click on the payables amount for a credit card account to see a ledger of job cost charges paid by that credit card. Back on the ECC worksheet, see the cash that would be available if you pay the current unpaid payables that have been posted to accounting. If cash is short, it's probably time to use the draw request billing tools that produce instant billings for your customers. Since our Smith John job is a cost plus builder fee contract, let's use a cost plus fee draw request. First, see a list of all undrawn job costs posted to accounting and uncheck any that should not be on this draw. Enter a builder fee to draw or let CHS calc it for you. Then produce and store the draw request for your customer in summary or detail. See the detail of the costs behind a cost plus fee or cost plus markup draw that includes short URLs to copies of the vendor invoices. Since Loveman is a fixed lump sum contract, let's use a percent complete draw request. Enter your own percents or select percents to draw based on actual costs so far. Then it will deduct prior drawn amounts to come up with ready to draw amounts. Then let CHS instantly produce and store your percent complete draw request as a summary or even more detailed, and send the draw request PDF to the customer via a message that includes a short URL link to their draw request. Messages sent to or from your customers are stored in a list that can be seen by your staff users and by your customer online. When the draw request money is received from your customer, checkmark draw received on the window used to post the deposit. If something like a wire fee is deducted by the bank, copy the line, deduct the fee, and post it to job costs. On the window to approve unpaid job costs to be paid for a job, the project manager and/or the big boss can see if a cost has been included on a draw request and if the draw number is green for received or red for not received. On this window, the field can drill down to a copy of the vendor bill, cost overage warnings the bookkeeper received when posting the cost, ECC variances for the cost center, the associated purchase order, and work done notes before checkmarking that it is okay to pay. CHS includes so many more features that are specialized for custom home builders. To see how all of this is done and so much more, don't miss our free seminar learning tutorials on our website. Thank you for watching.